Understanding Be on the Frontlines, an English phrase explored. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, be on the front lines. This phrase is rich in meaning and used in various contexts, from everyday conversations to professional settings. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it effectively in your English communications. Be on the front lines refers to being in the most important or critical position in a particular situation, especially where the action is happening or where the efforts are most needed. Originally, this term was used in military contexts, indicating the soldiers who were positioned at the foremost part of an army, facing the enemy directly. However, its use has expanded over time. Today, be on the front lines is used metaphorically in various scenarios. It describes individuals who are at the forefront of challenging situations, not just in combat but also in fields like healthcare, social activism, journalism, and more. For example, during a health crisis, doctors and nurses are said to be on the front lines, fighting against the disease and providing essential care. You can use this phrase to emphasize the importance of someone's role in a challenging situation or to highlight the direct impact of their work. It's a way to acknowledge the bravery, hard work, and dedication of individuals facing difficult circumstances head-on. Here are a few examples. Teachers are on the front lines of shaping our future generations. Firefighters are on the front lines, battling the blaze and saving lives. The phrase, be on the front lines, carries a weight of responsibility, courage, and direct involvement. Whether in literal battlefields or metaphorical ones, being on the front lines means being where the action is most intense and the stakes are highest. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this powerful expression in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.